he accepts responsibility that he had actually seen it, and I sent it off electronically, and that was all there was to it. Oh, it did ask for his title or position with the company.
Max.
I didn't read the email first, so I had to take another look at it. And his first words were, my title or position? How about Lord? I said, well, technically you're not a landowner, so we can't use that. And he goes, well, I haven't been knighted by the Queen, but Sir works. So I put in Sir.
Oh, good Lord.
I'm like, okay.
I get that camera out to get Spud and Tanner. And then it switched to his daddy, who's causing trouble. Fatty Daddy. We should call, actually we're going to rename Piglet.
Yeah. Those two are having fun.
Actually, Spud's really good now. Spud! Hi, my Spud. Good Lord, y'all two. Samantha, come get... Look, you the one brought these people in here. Go.
You missed it.
It's just so funny watching them. Who's gonna fight? Who's gonna fight? Apparently Tanner decided this is his day off. Get him, Tanner. Get him. Not me. Not the camera. Who's a good puppy? Not the camera. There's Samantha. The mama. Scream close up. Oh, thank you. This is what I want to show. How he did not attack Tanner. Of course, Daddy is attacking Tanner. He gets all fierce, but see how Tanner licks him and everything else and calms him down. Yes, that's a good boy. Good bud. Don't kill my camera. This is what I wanted right here. But I actually edited my video to be this. Okay. Oh, good Lord, you're gonna start.
He's still playing with the ball.
Okay.
Aren't you, Lou?
Okay, but thank you for the video. And let's get Steve on video.
Hi.
No smoking, children. I'm sorry. I was watching videos. Kids don't smoke.
Yeah. Otherwise, you look like this when you're 22.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna stop this video. This is just a short video of the doggies. Just started playing. I wanted to show them.
Just for a minute. We got
and I keep pushing my little button.
He keeps hitting his computer video on.
Spud, you want to say anything? You're showing your teeth.
Spotty.
Oh, Spud. I did say Spud. That's Spot. I'm sorry, y'all. And endorsements were not supposed to be here. And do not drink, kids. Spud.
Give him a big yawn.
Oh.
Show how your jaws are double hinged, and you look something like.
And there's Max.
Out of a sci-fi.
One of our precious little rescue puppies.
Yeah, our big piglet.
Yes, he's a rescue puppy.
He's so big he can't even walk.
He's a rescue puppy, and he's a rescue puppy.
Let's see what she's got to say
And
for us.
I did it again. Okay, y'all. Just a short video. Oh, never mind that video. Bye-bye.